Students and interns of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Jnims, today staged a sit-in front of the Ladies' Hostel No. 1, demanding their stipend revision at the earliest. Several banners and placards which read, "We are not doctors in service, not slaves in silence," and "No more delay, revise our pay," among others, were displayed during the protest, which was organized by the Jnims Students Association and interns of the 2020-21 batch. Speaking to reporters, the association's president, Lyshram Lenin, expressed discontent over the decade-long stagnation in stipend revision despite repeated representations to Jnims authorities and other government authorities. He further decried that the failure to revise the stipend of the medical students and interns have caused many inconveniences to the medical students in the face of price rise of essential items and commodities. Lenin also warned that the medical students and interns would continue to launch various forms of agitation until their demands are met.
Changjendrigi mangoina na haitare koi chechang mayam formality jingak na ba chechang mayam thadana kotana koi mayam ma tawjakre koi samak yaudana secretary ta chendana kotana tawjaki ba kyama lere tawdubu sinang numitche sum habidi akoi gi di time limit che lerek tawje habidi matam di sum sangdok pirak pa haitare ne koi gi problem je ignore to birak pa haitare ignore to birak de akoi je kari tawsiki na sum khana pada protest si tawrasi haina khongjang se mayam satam am pulaga lephi ba adu changjen ri khongchan na se koi government side tagi natra mari lena bo authority tagi hek moi tagi response ama lak to koi dum changchan ja ni ha tare